Home Minister Govindas has asserted that hostage incident case of 6 Naga men has been handed over to NIA for investigation. The clarification from the Home Minister came following a recent court hearing in which it was stated that the National Investigation Agency had not received formal intimation despite the Manipur government's announcement that the case would be referred to the central agency. Clarifying the matter, Govindas said he had personally signed the relevant file and suggested that the issue may have arisen due to a misunderstanding. He further stated that some developments in the case are expected within the next few days. Home Minister Govindas was speaking to reporters on the sideline of World Environment Day program at the City Convention Center in Palace Compound today, which was held on the theme Inspired by Nature for Climate for Our Future. Principal Secretary of Forest, Environment and Climate Change Arun Kumar Sinha, Langkabal MLA Karam Shyam, Patsoy MLA Sapam Kunjakeshwar, Director of Environment and Climate Change T. Brajakumar, along with other eminent persons, graced the function. As part of the program, Managing Director of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality, Dr. Thangcham Dubli, was honored with Green Entrepreneur Award, while Dr. K.H. Samunga was presented with Lifetime Achievement Environment Award. Ketramayam Chitrabhanu was honored with Climate Communicator Award and KSH Surjit, Dr. Biju and Laishram Herojid were presented with Appreciation Award. Certificates were also presented to winners of essay and symposium competition, which were organized in connection with World Environment Day. Addressing the function, Home Minister Govindas said, the state government is yet to receive a detailed report on the deadly pre-dawn attack at Loibul Kulen village in Kangpokpi district that claimed 3 lives. When asked about those responsible for the attack, Govindas said it would be premature to comment as detailed reports from the ground were still awaited. Further, Govindas also informed that Union Home Minister has directed to ensure that valley and hill districts are free from armed elements, and state government will soon take up necessary action against those who possess illegal weapons.
Everyone of us on this planet should be climate consciousness. Climate consciousness over. Yam sawa samna higher kind of dharma ki religion ki higher Krishna consciousness kind of. Why can't we do it? We can also do it in the same manner to protect the mother nature, to protect the planet. Adu na tabata haragadi no monatraga no mode. Koi ozamane koi tapi koi ki Darwin ki theory of origins environmental influence. Environment sidagi influence adum toropasi dakoi mioi basi sabana adum henjala dinga sahibi bedo 1.5 degrees Celsius ku masi adum hengala sabe hengala taragadi masi climate sida adopt to ya na ba akoi gi anatomy si ju hong ko ya